Welcome to our video on how to become a cloud engineer from scratch. In this video, we will explore the educational requirements and technical skills needed to embark on a career in cloud engineering. Let's get started. Becoming a cloud engineer requires mastering various skills in cloud computing, software development, and networking. Understanding cloud engineering and gaining proficiency in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud are essential steps in shaping my career. This video covers everything I need to succeed in this field. The path to becoming a cloud engineer is challenging and rewarding for those exploring programming languages, DevOps practices, cybersecurity, big data, and machine learning. To become a cloud engineer, proficiency in a cloud computing platform is necessary. Understanding cloud computing, software development, networking, and virtualization is essential. Familiarity with major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud is also necessary. Relevant certifications, programming language mastery, and skills in various areas are beneficial for a successful cloud engineering career. A bachelor's degree in computer science or IT is the first step to becoming a cloud engineer. These fields provide essential knowledge in databases, programming languages, networking, and operating systems, crucial for understanding cloud computing. A bachelor's degree shows proficiency in technical concepts. Associate degrees or certifications can enhance cloud engineers' qualifications and make them more competitive in the job market. These educational achievements provide a foundation in cloud computing concepts, networking, security, and operating systems. Cloud computing bootcamps are intensive training programs designed to excel in cloud engineering. These bootcamps provide hands-on experience and expert-led instruction to enhance proficiency in cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Enrolling in a cloud computing bootcamp accelerates learning and improves technical expertise for aspiring cloud engineers. As a cloud engineer, I understand the importance of technical skills in this field. Proficiency in cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud is essential. Additionally, expertise in software development, networking, virtualization, and infrastructure as code is highly valuable. Cloud engineers also need to have knowledge in containers, Kubernetes, and cybersecurity to ensure the security and scalability of cloud systems. To become a successful cloud engineer, it's essential to have proficiency in cloud computing platforms. This includes a deep understanding of networking, solid expertise in security, and a strong grasp of operating systems. Mastery in cloud basics is also crucial for excelling in this field. To become a cloud engineer, the first step is to focus on educational background. I need to earn a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. It's important to emphasize networking, databases, programming, and system administration. After that, gaining fundamental IT experience is crucial. Starting with entry-level positions in IT support, systems administration, or network administration will help me build a foundational understanding of IT infrastructure. I should also aim to gain practical experience with servers, networking, and virtualization. To become a cloud engineer, the next steps are crucial. Firstly, I need to learn the basics of cloud computing. This can be achieved through self-study and online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Additionally, joining cloud computing communities and forums will help me stay updated and learn from industry professionals. Once I have a good understanding of cloud computing, I should choose a major cloud provider such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. Exploring their documentation, tutorials, and resources will be essential in gaining practical knowledge and skills. To become a cloud engineer, the next steps are to obtain certifications and develop practical skills. First, obtain entry-level certifications such as AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Certified, Azure Fundamentals, or Google Associate Cloud Engineer. Then, progress to advanced certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Microsoft Certified, Azure Solutions Architect Expert, or Google Professional Cloud Architect. Additionally, it's important to develop practical skills by applying knowledge through hands-on projects and practicing using free cloud provider accounts. Gain practical experience with online labs and simulations as well. To become a cloud engineer, it's important to learn programming and scripting. This involves exploring programming languages like Python, Java, or Go, which are commonly used in cloud engineering. Additionally, acquiring scripting skills in Bash, PowerShell, or Perl is essential for automating cloud tasks. Mastery in cloud security is also crucial. This includes learning cloud security principles such as encryption, IAM, and compliance, as well as obtaining security certifications like AWS Certified Security Specialty or CCSP. To become a cloud engineer, gaining experience with DevOps tools is crucial. Firstly, it's important to learn about CI/CD pipelines for continuous integration and deployment. Additionally, trying out infrastructure as code, IAC, tools such as Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or Azure Resource Manager is essential. Furthermore, staying updated with industry trends is vital. This involves continuous learning about cloud computing advancements and attending events to network and stay updated on industry developments. To become a cloud engineer, the next steps are crucial. First, I need to create a strong resume and portfolio that highlight my skills, certifications, and projects. Then, I should start applying for cloud engineer positions, beginning with entry-level roles and working my way up to more advanced positions. Additionally, I need to focus on continuous professional development by obtaining advanced certifications in cloud security, DevOps, or data engineering. Seeking professional growth through mentoring or pursuing advanced degrees is also important for my career progression. To pursue a career in cloud engineering, I need to focus on obtaining a bachelor's degree in computer science or IT. I should also consider relevant courses and gain entry-level IT experience, possibly in systems administration. Entry-level cloud engineering positions are crucial for starting a career in the field. It's important to learn cloud computing fundamentals and pursue entry-level certifications. As I progress, I should aim for advanced certifications and gain practical experience through hands-on projects. Cloud engineers can enhance their expertise and career prospects by focusing on cloud architecture, DevOps, and cybersecurity. As a cloud engineer, my responsibilities include developing reliable and scalable cloud applications. I am also responsible for choosing cloud service providers, implementing scalable operations on cloud platforms, and keeping up with cloud-native applications. Additionally, I maintain data integrity and system security, troubleshoot issues, collaborate with teams, and automate development processes. As cloud engineer, I need to manage design and implement cloud solutions, architecture design, manage cloud infrastructure, optimize performance, security management, automate processes, monitor and troubleshoot issues. Cost management, collaboration, and communication, stay updated with industry trends. Disaster recovery and backup, compliance and governance, and support. As a cloud engineer, the salary potential is an important consideration. Entry-level cloud engineers with less than 2 years of experience can expect to earn between $70,000 and $90,000 annually. With 2 to 5 years of experience, salaries typically range from $90,000 to $120,000. Professionals with 5+ years of experience or in senior roles can earn $120,000 to $160,000 or more. In the United States, salaries can be significantly higher, often exceeding $150,000 annually. In Europe, salaries in the UK, Germany, and other tech hubs can range from €60,000 to €100,000. In Asia, countries like India and Singapore have growing tech sectors, with salaries ranging from $30,000 to $80,000. Cloud engineering differentiates between cloud engineers and DevOps engineers. As a cloud engineer, I would design and manage cloud infrastructure and services similar to software development. I specialize in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud for reliable cloud applications. On the other hand, DevOps engineers merge software development and IT operations. They automate processes, manage infrastructure, and deploy applications efficiently. DevOps engineers enhance collaboration by using Kubernetes, containers, and automation. Machine learning develops algorithms for computers to learn and make decisions based on data. It includes data analysis, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling. On the other hand, cloud engineering encompasses cloud infrastructure design and management. Cloud engineers ensure scalability, reliability, and security of cloud-based systems using platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. As cloud engineers, I value following a structured roadmap for success. Proficiency in a cloud computing platform is the first step in the cloud engineer roadmap. To become a cloud engineer, I need to learn the fundamentals, earn a degree, master cloud basics, enhance programming skills, and become proficient in a cloud platform. This roadmap sets individuals up for a successful cloud engineering career by providing a strong foundation and necessary technical skills. As a cloud project engineer, my focus is on gaining proficiency in a cloud computing platform. I need to understand the basics of cloud computing, software development, and networking. Familiarizing myself with Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform is essential. Additionally, obtaining relevant certifications in cloud technologies and programming languages will further enhance my skills and qualifications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.